CD4017 is a 10-stage decade counter IC. We can use it for LED flasher circuits applications. It is a 16-pin counter that can count from 0 to 10 by turning on the 10 outputs one by one on every positive edge of a clock. The circuit consists of CD4017, will save board space, and also time required to design the circuit. We can reset and control counting with the help of reset and enable pins. For simulation purpose, we are using logic states and logic probes of Proteus. We will provide clock signal and enable signal, reset signal through these logic states. For simulation purpose, we will use toggle switch to provide positive edge. Because switching from 0 to 1 will provide positive edge to decade counter. We can also use the probe state of Proteus to see the output of Q0 to Q9. Now let's see Proteus simulation working. In this example, we use a LED bar graph that consists of 10 light-emitting diodes. Therefore, we will display output of counter on LED bar graph. As we mentioned earlier, output pins Q0 to Q9 give logic high outputs sequentially. Output transition occurs on every positive edge of clock cycle. Hence, on first positive edge, pin Q0 will become 1, on second positive edge of clock, pin Q1 will become high, and on third positive edge of clock, pin Q2 will become high, and so on. Now let apply clock signal and see output of counter. As you can see, as soon as we apply a clock signal to CD4017, LEDs start to glow from Q0 to Q9. The rate of output change depends on clock frequency. The maximum operating frequency which CD4017 supports is 10 MHz. Now can a clock signal and observe output change rate with different frequencies. Further, we can control output with the help of enable pin. For example, if input to enable pin is active high, output will halt. Therefore, output will not change even on positive clock edge. Additionally, if you want to reset the output, MR pin can restart the counting. This is how CD4017. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.